All right, so I'm going to show you how to adjust your drop rate for your plow. So you can either increase or decrease the drop rate. I'm not sure if it's going to affect the rest of your hydraulics because I haven't adjusted it myself. It says drop rate adjustment in the manual, but I don't know if on these older ones if it actually is going to slow your hydraulic flow down for your angle as well. You'd have to kind of play with it to see. But so right here, they call it, I guess, a quill. So if you screw that quill in clockwise, it will decrease your drop speed, and if you turn the quill out or counterclockwise, it will increase your drop speed. So this is a mm1 plow with a solenoid electric hydraulic pack, and that is where that is located. So I have a couple other plows I can show you where they're located as well. Alright, so this is I think this is still a mm1, but this one is a insta pump. So you can see you have the same type of screw. That's the location of it right there. Oh, there. So same rule applies. If you turn it in, I think it will decrease your drop speed, and if you turn it out counterclockwise, it will increase your drop speed. So that's where this one is. So I mean, this is obviously the back of the headgear. Here's the front of the headgear, so that's its location right there. Alright, so here's one of the newer mm2 plows. It is a 8-foot hd2. So you're gonna have to take your cover off. Remove your cover, and then right here is the quill for the travel speed, for the drop rate on this style pump. So it looks like the Insta ones, but I mean it's the newer the newer one. Looks like it's in the same exact spot. So turn that in clockwise to slow down your drop rate, and turn it out to increase your drop rate.